Okay, ladies and gentlemen in YouTube land, you are watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel here today on the YouTube platform. Today I'll be coming to you with a new dish, a new shrimp dish. I'll be doing a stir-fry curry shrimp, a stir-fry curry shrimp dish, and kidney beans, rice and peas. So stir-fry curry shrimp with kidney beans, rice and peas. That is the dish that I'll be preparing for you today. So here are all the ingredients. Of course, the main ingredients is shrimp, jumbo shrimps, beautiful, nice jumbo shrimps, already cleaned and ready to go. Here I have chayote or chocho in Jamaica and carrots ready. And over here I have fresh celery ready to go. And over here I have tomatoes, I have garlic, I have scallion, and I have Scotch bonnet hot pepper. And here I have red onions and white onions. And in addition to that, I have sorted bell peppers ready to go in my curry stir-fry shrimp. And the other ingredients, I have kidney beans for the rice and peas, coconut milk, and garlic powder, ginger powder, butter, black pepper, sea salt, and of course Carolina cold rice for the kidney, rice and peas, onion powder, and curry powder, and olive oil. So these are all the essential ingredients for this dish here today that I'll be creating the shrimp stir fry. So you're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright. That's the pot that I'm going to do the shrimp in. This is the shrimp pot. And this one here will be for kidney bean, rice and peas. So both fire will be done at the same time. Alright, olive oil. Okay, that's the pot for the rice and peas, kidney bean rice and peas. And that is the pot for the shrimp. Okay, butter will be going in both pots, both in the shrimp stir fry and also in the kidney beans, rice and peas pot. Alright, this is the pot for the kidney beans, rice and peas. So let's just get in. Going in. And as well, some garlic. This is the pot for the stir-fry scallion and garlic. my tomatoes. And the rest of my scallion. And we'll save the hot pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper for last. Pepper take its time and cook out. There'll be no water going into this dish. No water. This is a stir fry. No water. And add in some red onions and white onions. This is for the kidney beans. And as well, onions. So this is for the shrimp. This is for the stir fry shrimp. Adding some bell peppers into the kidney beans pot that I'll be doing the rice and peas, just to spice it up and make it more flavorful. So I have not one, but I have 2 pots going at the same time. So this is bell pepper yellow, orange, red. Give it some color contrast. And also a little bit of green bell pepper as well. This is the pot for the kidney beans, rice and peas. Alright, this is the pot for the kidney beans, rice and peas. Okay? This is the pot for stir fry shrimp. I'm about to add my kidney beans. This is for my rice and peas. Alright, that is my shrimps. Alright, I'll be adding my curry now. Directly onto the shrimps. I'm switching to my turmeric. This gives me a very richer, nicer color. The other one looks a little bit too dark. Alright. I'll be adding my garlic powder. Onion powder. And my black pepper. And I'll be using some hot Scotch bonnet pepper that'll be going inside here. And of course, sea salt. Okay, sea salt. Right, so this is the seasoned kidney beans for the rice, for the Carolina Gold parboiled rice. All right, now I'm gonna add coconut milk in there. All right, I'm gonna add coconut cream up there. Alright, I didn't add any water, all this liquid is coming from the shrimps. All that liquid is coming from the shrimp. Okay, turn the fire a bit more. All that liquid is from the shrimp. So this isn't supposed to be my stir-fry shrimp. Alright, so without any further delay, I'm going to start adding my vegetables. I'm going to add my celeries. I'm going to add my chayote and carrots. This is my stir fry. I don't want it to overly cook. Alright, I'm going to add some onion powder. This is the rice and peas, kidney rice and bean pot. And garlic powder. I'll be adding some fresh thyme. And also scotch bonnet hot pepper. Come to a full boil, then I'll add the rice in it. Alright. Wow, it smells scrumptiously delicious. Wow, it smells amazing. Alright, I'm adding some fresh thyme in there. And adding some scotch bonnet peppers. It's very hot. And last but not least, bell peppers. Bell peppers. And a little bit of ginger powder. Because of the shrimps. I'm going to add a little more turmeric. Ready to run into. This is my Jamaican style stir fry curry shrimp. Yes. All right. I'll be adding the rice. kidney beans, rice and peas. The water is just above the rice. Turn the fire low with gravity and heat. All this liquid, my friends, all this liquid was produced by the celery and the shrimp and the chayote. That's where all this liquid comes from. No water. No water is in here. Alright, so this is my curry stir fry shrimp. This is my kidney rice and beans. Alright, shrimp is ready. That is the curry shrimp stir fry. So beautiful and all pretty and delicious and inviting. She looks ready for the stomach. The stomach is waiting for her. Awesome. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. You're in the cooking lab. Alright, she's done. She is done. That is my stir fry curry shrimps. Got the kidney rice and beans. See how she's doing. So she's coming out. Alright, so that is my kidney rice and beans. You're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV 109.5 on the YouTube platform and the Cooking Lab. Alright, this is the kidney beans, rice and peas, Jamaican style. Right. She's ready. She is ready. You are watching this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel 109.5 on the YouTube platform in the Cooking Lab. Right, she's ready. She's dry, shelly, looking awesome. You're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. finish this, I'm going to try. Alright, turn the stove on. Alright, wonderful. Nice and shallow. Nice and shallow. Looking delicious. Looking delicious. Alright, this is my kidney. Nice and meat. Jamaican style. Jamaican style. All right, my friends, this is the final destination of this project, this cooking adventure here in the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery Cooking Lab. This is my stir-fry curry shrimp dish that I created here today with kidney rice and beans and a nice array of romaine lettuce and tomatoes with cucumber. And I'm going to dress it up with some bacon bits. Yes, that's the bacon bits right there. And top it off with some Caesar salad dressing. Yes, and wash this down with some cranberry juice, some nice, delicious cranberry juice. So this is my masterpiece here. A stir-fry curry shrimp. You are seeing this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. You are in the cooking lab here today. So this is my dinner here for this evening, my friends. Enjoy the view, enjoy the wonderful, delicious, scrumptiously delightful sight. Alright, you are seeing this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform, coming straight to you from the Cooking Lab 109.5 on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel. Stir fry curry shrimp, delicious, delightful, scrumptiously tasty stir fry curry shrimp on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel. It tastes delightfully delicious. Alright, there's a beautiful view. Alright, she's ready. The stomach is calling her. The stomach is calling. The stomach said, I'm ready. But it's nice, delicious, wonderful, delightful, scrumptiously, appetizingly tasty stir-fry curry shrimp from the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform 109.5. Thanks very much for viewing. Please like and share, and please subscribe to my channel in support of my channel. I thank you. I'll see you on another adventure on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV from the Cooking Lab. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy this wonderful, beautiful